Welcome. So there's been a recurring question coming in through comments for months now. Do these AI trading systems actually generate real returns, or is it just a same recycled pitch dressed up in new branding? Then look, that skepticism is completely reasonable. Spent enough time in this space to know that for every system that actually works, there's about 15 that exist purely to look convincing long enough to take money. So what this video is a walkthrough of something I've had running in active rotation for a while. Not a first impression, not a sponsored overview, just documenting what the platform does, what the numbers look like after, and the process behind figuring out whether something like this is actually worth running. And before clicking through anything, gonna break down each step as it comes because this stuff actually makes sense when the reasoning behind it is visible. Okay, so starting with authentication, there's two options here. First is Wallet Connect. System handles the whole connection on its own, fully automated. Second is manual. Transaction gets processed independently, more hands-on. Going manual to keep everything out in the open, easier to follow what's actually happening. Okay, so now preset selection, safe, optimal, and aggressive, 3 tiers. This is essentially the bot's operating parameters, risk exposure, execution behavior, target returns, and the capital floor each tier requires. Okay, then neural network. This is the actual AI model assignment. Each model handles market structure differently. Some are built for fast, volatile conditions, others are calibrated for tighter, slower moving price action. When the current read on the market isn't clear, auto-select takes that decision off the table, scans live conditions, and routes to whatever model fits. 9 times out of 10, that's where things start. Okay, network selection next. So platform isn't pulling from a fixed list, it's reading live blockchain data and ranking networks based on actual congestion and fee rates at that exact moment. So the options shift depending on what's happening on chain right now. That's not a small detail. Fees have a direct impact on how much of the margin survives through to the end of the session. All right, then I press Start AI. Okay, model loads, preliminary calculations run, system syncs to current market state, and then it's live. Stepping back for a few minutes, then getting into the results. Okay, session stopped. Full breakdowns on screen now. Total balance, net profit from the session, trade count, win rate, and total runtime. Everything summarized cleanly. And then the execution log, full sequence of every trade the system placed with the detail behind each one. This is one of the main reasons this platform has stayed in regular rotation here. Most systems hand over an N number and that's it. No visibility into how it got there. This one lays out the entire decision trail. Being able to trace each trade back through the logic is the difference between understanding whether a system is actually doing its job versus just getting lucky when conditions cooperated. So, withdrawal. Here I pick the asset, add receiving address, and confirm. Okay, protocol's processing, a few minutes and it'll clear. So, while that runs, worth getting into why manual trading dropped out of the picture here entirely. The honest version is that arbitrage windows in this market are sometimes 2-3 seconds wide. That's not a discipline problem, it's just physics. No manual process catches that reliably. What an AI system actually does is hold a full picture of the market simultaneously. Gas costs, liquidity across venues, spread differentials between chains, slippage exposure, all of it processed and acted on in timeframes that a manual workflow has no answer to. Try to close that gap for a long time, and eventually the evidence just became too consistent to ignore. What's kept this particular platform relevant across all that testing is that it's actually got history behind it. Not months, years, and across multiple market cycles, different volatility regimes, periods where most competing systems either degraded or just quietly shut down, this one kept performing. That's not a claim. That's just what several years of session data looks like when it holds up. Anyway, appreciate your time and thanks for watching.